When it comes to loan servicing software, success starts with implementation. And no one supports your launch like Bryt. Our structured onboarding process includes step-by-step setup, in-app guidance, and everything you need to get started quickly and confidently. You'll be paired with a dedicated customer success representative, providing personalized, one-on-one support from day one. Prefer to move at your own pace? Our self-service tools include a knowledge base, video tutorials, and live chat. Ready whenever you are. With Bryt, you get more than software. You get an intuitive interface, flexible implementation pricing, and a team that listens because your feedback shapes our roadmap. Great software is only part of the story. With Bryt, you get a partner committed to your success from setup to full adoption. Schedule your personalized Bryt demo today.